Tutorial: create a simple treasure hunt game with visual coding in Assemblr EDU. Before you start creating with visual coding, prepare the objects you'll be using in your project. For a treasure hunt game, you'll need a chest or treasure chest, a playable character, and a few other objects to make the game area more interesting. Next, hide the treasure chest among the other objects. We'll use visual coding to make these objects disappear when the character finds them. Now, open visual coding and look for the Animate on Collide template under the Collision category. Add the template, then set up the trigger. Select the character as the first object, then choose the object the character needs to approach to find the treasure as the second object. Next, select the treasure chest as the object to be animated. You can also choose the animation type and sound that will play when the character triggers the code. Now, to make the treasure actually visible when it's found, we need to make the objects hiding it disappear. Add the visibility coding block to the template. Set the visibility of each blocking object to hidden when it collides with the character. Don't forget to disable the reset option, so the objects that have disappeared won't reappear after the code runs. Once you're done, preview your project to see how it works. Repeat the same steps for the next treasure chest. Before moving on, you can also open Editor Settings to display the collider, which shows the boundaries used to detect interactions between objects. You can adjust the collider size to control how close the character needs to be to an object before the visual coding is triggered. Finally, let's make the character we used earlier move. Open the visual coding template, then go to the Movement category and select Move using keyboard. Choose the control keys you want to use. For this tutorial, we'll use WASD. Then select the character you want to move as the object. If the character has built-in animations, you can also set up walking and idle animations to make the movement feel more alive. Note: not all objects have built-in animations. Make sure you choose an object that comes with these animations. And that's it! You now have a simple treasure hunt game that you can play using visual coding in Assemblr EDU. Now, it's your turn to create your own version of the treasure hunt.